Hello student, I am Rashid Khan from the Prasad Memorial Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Student, here we'll have to already explain about the formation of image, that is a reflection of light on the different basis and different parameters. Here we'll have to move through the topic which is given as formation of image. By different mirrors like plane, convex and concave. So in this regard we'll have to move on the by plane mirror, by convex mirror, by concave mirror. So in that relations we will have to learn, that is image formation will take place at different means by like real or virtual or erect, or upright, erect or upright, or might be size. You should notice right over here, size. So on each and every aspect we'll have to learn what will be the exact form. Now in case of plane mirror, the image would be virtual. Why? Because the virtual images cannot be obtained on a screen. So on that regard we can say it is a type of virtual. And in case of erect or upright, it must be erect. So on the other hand, we have to say the size of the image. Here is the size. For plane, it must be the same size of the object. कैसे होनी चाहिए ये? जैसे जितना भी जो ऑब्जेक्ट होगा उस ऑब्जेक्ट के जैसा बिल्कुल प्लेन होगा एंड उसी के जैसा बनेगा. दूसरा हम लोग बात करें कॉनकेव की. कॉनकेव या कॉन्वेक्स की बात कर लें तो कॉन्वेक्स में भी इमेज फॉर्मेशन कैसा होगा? इट इज आल्सो द वर्चुअल. इट इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ वर्चुअल एज वेल. इट मस्ट बी virtual, as well as when we are talking about the erect or upright. So in that sense, if it is virtual, so it must be erect, and the size, when we are talking about that, the size must be diminished. It is size डिमिनिश्ड, कैसा होगा, बहुत बड़ा होगा और हमें दिखाई नहीं देगा। When we are talking about the concave mirror, concave it is always form real. And in the same way, when we are talking about its erect or upright, so if it is erect in a time of, when we are talking about the virtual and erect or upright, so in that both cases there will be the different means. Like if it is virtual, then it's erect, but when it is real then it must be upright. That means it has the both property, इनके पास दोनों तरह की प्रॉपर्टी है, अपराइट और इन्वर्टेड, दोनों तरह की प्रॉपर्टी है, तो दोनों तरह के डायग्राम या दोनों तरह के फिगर ये अलाउ करेंगे। अब हम बात करेंगे इन केस साइज की बात, तो साइज कैसा होगा, साइज मैग्नीफाइड होगा, मैग्नीफाइड और डिमिनिश्ड दोनों साइज हो सकते हैं। इट मस्ट बी in case of concave it must be magnified or diminished, बहुत बड़ा या बहुत छोटा। ओके, नाउ we are talking about the light, so in that regard we have to move on to the next one, that is uses of a spherical mirror. Uses of spherical mirrors. What is the actual image form? So in a different means, different type of a image form takes place. Suppose if we are taking concave mirror, so in case of a concave mirror there is a different uses of these, like in other cases whenever we are trying to go through the uses of these, this must have used in dentist, it is used by dentist to see the object more clear. The next one, that is, here is shaving in case of shaving mirror, they use for better view, as well as the makeup purposes. It is also used as reflectors in watches and vehicles light. It is used like this. Now, another meaning, that is, it is also used by doctors to see nose, eye, ear, etc. Now, next one on which we have to discuss, that is the lenses. What is the lenses actually? We can call it. Lenses are those particular type of a transparent materials which have two different types of planes, or we can say it is the transparent material that might have one or both surface. If have the one or both surfaces, they must be either spherical or might have the plane as well. Lenses may be formed by plastic, glass, or might be another materials. What they actually called as, why? Because lenses are those that can allow the light to pass through them. That means light can easily pass through it, and we can suppose that there is a material which can allow the light to pass through them. If it is the lens, then obviously it is allowed to light to pass through them, and it can act as a lenses. And according to the lenses, there are two type of lens. First one is convex lens, and next one is concave lens. So what is in between? Concave lens and convex lens. What is difference in between concave and convex? Suppose if there is something like a spherical mirror, so this has two ends. What are these? Two ends, in which here is inner portion or inner surfaces, and that has outer surfaces. these two surfaces. In one, which one is inner and the next one is outer. It is a reflecting surfaces, outer reflecting surfaces. And the reflecting surfaces. So on that behalf we can call it concave lens and convex lens.